Welcome to Research Rocks. Finally, Apple iPhone 16 pre-order is open. Today in this video you can see how to pre-order iPhone 16 Pro Max or other model as well. I am based on Copenhagen, Denmark, and via Power Electronics Store I purchased iPhone 16 Pro Max. So what is the process and how I order my new iPhone 16 Pro Max? So let's start in this video. Finally, pre-order iPhone 16 Pro Max pre-order booking is ongoing here, Copenhagen, Denmark. So look at this. I always purchase the product from Power Electronics Store, so I just simply click here. I am receiving the email notification. So here iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max, if I book today, so available on next Friday. I'm purchasing Pro Max. This always I'm purchasing the solid titanium black, magnetic black, but this time I purchasing the sand color. So I click here. This is a specification of phone. This time they are introducing 6.9 inches screen, the large screen. Next, going to next. Final amount is 11,280 Danish krona. So how much I am paying in Indian currency, I will show you. DKK to INR. So here I am paying 11,280 Danish krona. It means 1,40,058. So original actual price of this product is 499. It means 1,43,350 INR I am paying here in Denmark for this product. So yes, I go with this. Next, here is my address. Next, I collect my nearest power store. This one is for 1 kilometer. Next, and how I paying? Financing Express or bank, credit card, debit card, or just simply based on mobile pay application based on here in Copenhagen, in Denmark especially. So I select this one and accept and good end and betailing. Next, and boom, if I put it here my mobile number, so this amount I need to pay, and after that I am receiving message to give the authentication, and boom, my order is successfully done. After I am purchasing this product, I am receiving some of the bonus. That one is a 225 Danish krona. So it means the mobile is 11,275 Danish krona around. So I am receiving this product next Friday. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.